Good morning. Just a little video going over last night's homework really quick. The first thing is we're looking at Germany, and in Germany they had 185,000 Jews, and at the end of the Holocaust they had 165,200 Jews murdered. So to figure out how many survived, you would do 185,000 minus 165,200. And that would give you 19,800 surviving Jews. Now we're going to make a fraction. We have the number of Jews murdered, or the change, 165,000, divided by the original, which is 185,000. And we're going to divide those. That gives us 0.891, and the percent of Jewish people lost from the country after we multiplied by 100 would be 89.1% decrease. 89.1% decrease. All right, in Poland, we had 3.33 million Jews before the Holocaust, and 3 million Jews were murdered. So 3,330,000 minus 3 million is going to be 330,000 survivors. Okay. Now we're going to make a fraction, so this is going to be 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, divided by 3, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then we're going to divide that using a calculator. And I get 0.901 if you wanted to round it. The percentage, so change this into a percentage. We had a 90, and this could be 90 or, well, we'll just leave it as 90. This is a 90% decrease, or 90.1% decrease in the Jewish population. All right, on the next one we're talking about Lithuania. We had 168,000 Jews before the Holocaust, and then 143,000 were murdered. That means that only 25,000 Jews remained in Lithuania after the Holocaust. We're going to make a fraction, 143. This is the change over the original, 168,000. You're going to divide those, so that would be 143,000 divided by 168,000 gives you 0.851, and that means multiplying this by 100 would give us 85.1% decrease in the Jewish population in Lithuania. All right, Yugoslavia. They had 78,000 Jews before the Holocaust, and 63,300 were murdered. So we'll have 78,000 minus 63,300. And that means that in Yugoslavia, the Jewish survivors, were only 14,700. We're going to make a fraction. The change, which is 63,300, divided by 78,000. I'm going to divide those. 63,300 divided by 78,000 gives us 0.811. This is an 81 0.1% decrease of the Jewish population in Yugoslavia during the Holocaust. Here's the last one we're going to go over. This is Norway. How many Jews from this country survived? So at the beginning we had 1,700 and 762 were murdered. That means that 938 Jews survived the Holocaust in Norway. Let's make our fraction here. The change, which is 762 over 1,700. Now I'm going to divide that on my calculator. That gives me 0.448. Times that by 100, that's going to be 44.8% decrease in the Jewish population in Norway during the Holocaust. Alright guys, those are the ones that I wanted to go over. Hopefully you guys had no problem with this, and I'll talk to you soon.